Hey, so what we got is a peanut something and a chicken char siu. So we're going to try this one out and see how does it taste here in Singapore. So this one smells like tikoy in the Philippines, and it has peanut in it. So this is like bread that has peanut in it. So let me taste it. It tastes like momon with peanuts, ground peanuts. Not sweet. This is good. I think the food here in Singapore, they're controlling sugar and sodium to make them more healthier. So they're making healthy choices, bringing many healthy options to their constituents, to their population. So this one is chicken char siu. So it's like a croissant or a turnover. Yeah, bread's like croissant, and then we open it. Here's what's inside. So it looks like chicken. Yeah, because it's a chicken char siu or grilled chicken. Let's taste it. Look. Yeah. Tastes like a chicken turnover or chicken croissant. Good. Tastes really good. This one, guys, it costs $1.30 Singapore dollars. Yeah, there. And this one costs $2.20. Not bad. Tastes good.
Traditional peanut pancake. This is traditional peanut pancake. This is chicken char siu.
Try it. I tried it already.
And then this is yin yang. I hope I pronounced it correct.
Yin yang means good and bad.
It's a combination of tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee.
Yeah. Let's try the Singaporean way.
Taste it. Taste it.
Pwede.
So what we notice, or at least what I notice here, is that food in Singapore is not so sweet. It's not salty because they're controlling the sugar and sodium into their body. So which gives you which gives the people here healthy options in terms of making them more healthier. So this one is really good, the chicken char siu. This one is also good, but you know, it's not really sweet. So if you're a sweet tooth like me, this one's not for you. Wow.